Hi everyone, I am Priyanka and I'm a makeup artist. In today's video, we are going to create this festive look using all drugstore products under 300. I will start by prepping my skin with Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. I have been using this for months now and it works for my oily and sensitive skin. It doesn't feel sticky, hydrates well and works under makeup. Then to cover the pigmentation and dark circles, I will use this color correction palette from Insight. I am using this peach shade and dabbing it on the area wherever I have pigmentation. I have noticed that this kind of creamy concealer works well when applied with fingers. You need to first warm up the product on back of your hand and then apply it to avoid creasing. Also, this shade is very light than I expected it to be, so I am not going to cover this with another concealer shade, rather go with foundation directly. Yes, this is me checking that it has fragrance. For foundation, I am using this Insight Ultra Thin Longwear Foundation. I am in the shade Warm Nude. When I first applied this shade, it was looking a bit orange, but when I blended it, it perfectly matched my skin tone. It's a lightweight foundation and provides medium coverage. I am applying this using Paris brush number 127 and then blend it with a beauty blender. Also, the consistency of this foundation is watery, so it looks like second skin and you don't feel you have applied anything on the skin. But it doesn't cover the acne marks that well, so you can do spot concealing if you wish to. It doesn't bother me much, so I'm gonna leave this as it is. To set my face, I'm using this compact powder from Nykaa. I'm in the shade beige. I tried setting my face with the sponge it comes with, but it was moving the concealer, so I switched to powder puff. Usually I use the sponge when I have no base products on and it works pretty well. Overall, it's a great compact powder which works without makeup as well. For the eyes, I'm using these two palettes from Mars. I will first take this cool tone brown and apply it in my crease using a blending brush from Pro Art. Number is A824. To further define my crease, I will use this pink shade using a blending brush from Pack. Number is 175. You have to do the circular motion like you can see in this video. To give a quick review of these palettes, the shadows are mildly pigmented and there's not much of a fallout. To deepen the outer corner, I am using this shade on a flat brush from Paris. Number is 106. For shimmer shade, I have this liquid eyeshadow from Mars in the shade Big Bang 08. This liquid eyeshadow is very sparkly and can look too much if you apply directly. So I will take this on back of my hand and apply it with finger. Just dab it and don't swipe it to avoid fallout. And repeat the same steps for your lower lash line as well. Before we complete this, I am here to remind you to please subscribe to my channel and like this video if you're finding this helpful, as it motivates me and helps me reach more and more people. We are gonna do the wing liner for this look. If you are a beginner, then this technique will help you immensely. Start drawing the wing with the eyeshadow first using such angled brush. Using eyeshadow to map out your wing is the easiest way to start. Even if you make mistake, you can easily remove and correct it. Once you're happy with how it looks, use your gel eyeliner or liquid one. I'm using this 2-in-1 eyebrow and gel eyeliner from Swiss Beauty. The gel eyeliner works pretty well, but the eyebrow shade is black and that looks way too harsh on my eyebrows. Applying the same gel eyeliner on my waterline as well and finishing off this eye makeup with this Maybelline mascara. For my eyebrows, I am going to use this eyebrow pencil from Swiss Beauty. The tip of this pencil is precise and thin, which helps you draw hair-like natural strokes. And it also comes with a spoolie. I am just filling the gaps and combing my eyebrow in upward direction. For the blush, I am using this eyeshadow palette which we have used earlier. Taking the blush on a Pack 303 brush and applying it in an upward direction. For the highlighter, I have this Glowzilla palette from Mars. I will use this pink highlighter for this look and the brush I'm using is from Pack. Number is 278. For lipstick, I have two options. First, I will start by overlining my lips with this Nykaa lip liner in the shade Chocolate Boy and top it off with Miss Claire lipstick number 13. It's a everyday nude pink shade which goes really well with this makeup look. For the second option, if you're someone who loves to wear bright lipsticks during festive season, then try this lip combo. Mars lip liner Edge of Desire in the shade Wine Nights, and to create that ombre effect, I have applied inside lipstick in the shade Red Carpet. And I'm really sorry somehow this part of the video wasn't recorded. To give you a little description of this lipstick, it's a cool tone brown which would be a perfect red lipstick for medium to dusky skin tone people. Setting my face using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, it sets the makeup well, leaves a dewy finish, but it has fragrance, so please stay away from this if you're allergic to fragrance. And this is the final look. I have mentioned all the products in the description box below for you to check out. Also, I have created 5 looks using just one palette, and I would highly recommend you to watch that video which I'm gonna link here. See you there.